everyone, all Insta fans of Cuties, and today we have with us a very special guest, my very very favorite Vikas Gupta. So we are just announcing a Cuties Carnival. So every year we do this, and this time because we have come up with very innovative, which is the Wheel of Fortune.
When you go somewhere and you want to, let's say, buy one thing, and suddenly you get to know you can buy three things because there's so much of fun and excitement happening. And at Cuties we are having a Christmas carnival, जिसकी वजह से they're going to be playing games here, yeah? And the games will give you good cool stuff, which is ये खोलना पड़ेगा फिर आपको, तो निकालते हैं इसको. For all and every one of you जिनको मेरे pictures बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, उनको लगता है तो सर्जरी वर्जरी करा लिया मैंने, एडिट कर लिया. एडिट तो मैं करता हूँ हर पिक्चर को, लेकिन उसके लिए भी ना थोड़ा सा बेटर करना पड़ता है. एंड दैट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल because of Dr. Goyal. Since the time I have been in touch with her, she's really taking care of everything that I do.
So ready?
1, 2, 3. Wow. तो ये तो Wheel of Fortune टाइप का है.
Yes, this is Wheel of Fortune. Now you will see here there are 40 spokes, Vikas. You will spin the wheel and I will tell you what do you get for this.
So every client that is coming to Cuties, it's for everyone, right? So आप आएंगे और आपको केवल ये करना पड़ेगा ना, ज़ूप.
Yes.
और जिस पे भी ये रुकेगा, there's a card attached to it. 18.
Alright.
So अगर सोचो फॉर एग्जाम्पल 18 और 19 दोनों में मेरा है, क्योंकि मैं बहुत लकी हूँ. तो 18 और 19 दोनों क्या है?
So it says spin the wheel again. 18.
And 19 is what?
You don't get 19.
No,
It
but
is clear.
no, this is middle है, से बीच में ऐसा है. तो 19 क्या है?
19 is to get a complimentary sunscreen.
Sunscreen. No, sunscreen. You keep troubling me. But 18, I have to do it again. Sorry, I have to do it again. 30. Oh, that's
30.
my brother's number. 30 is.
Your cutest glow facial is on us.
अरे वाह, महंगा होता है. चलो, good, very good. I think that's a cool thing. So every one of you who's going to be coming to Cuties throughout this month, you're going to be getting to Wheel of Magic Skin Wala Fortune. So I think that'll be super cool. And please be at Cuties. There are available all the 3 centers. There's Kems Corner, there's Bandra, and there's Andheri. And Dr. Goyal, जब हो तो 100% उस time आओ, because she's brilliant at what she does. She's really good. I love you.
Thank you, Vikas. And here we even have a jackpot in this. Okay. So we have a lot of hidden gifts, a lot of offers. So every patient who will walk into any of our Cuties branches will be spinning the wheel.
But can I tell you something? This is all fun. You'll come here, you'll smile. But what is really good is the fact that you'll look good from inside and outside when you take care of your skin and you take care of yourself. And it really changes your life because you look at yourself very differently. Please, whether you come at Cuties or wherever you go, wherever you do, take care of your skin, look good. It makes you feel healthy and happy. Yay! See you guys.
Yay,
Bye.
see you.